Hello and welcome, handsome and beautiful people, to my channel. How are you? In today's video, I'll be showing you my DIY protein treatment. The ingredients I used are cut up pieces of 1 to 2 ripe bananas, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and 3 tablespoons of aloe vera oil. Let's get to it. So I start by adding my banana chunks in my blender. Then I crack my egg into it. Here's my 1 tablespoon of castor oil, followed by my 3 tablespoons of aloe vera oil. I blend these all together until it's completely smooth. As you can see, I've got a light, creamy, smooth mix, and there we have it. I actually went ahead to transfer my treatment into an empty bottle off camera to make it easier to apply. Hello again. So I've got my spray bottle with warm water. I've got my treatment in a bottle and my hair in 6 manageable twisted sections. Starting off with one section, I unravel my twist. Then I go in with my warm water, enough to distribute it through my whole section. After which I massage the water in and lightly finger detangle to help distribute the water through my hair strands. Once I'm happy, I go ahead and apply my treatment into my hair. Now I want to make sure every single strand gets coated with the treatment, so I take my time to work it properly into my hair, dividing my section further into smaller sections as necessary to ensure that it's well distributed, as you can see. I apply more product as I need to fully saturate my hair with the treatment, and I make sure to continue working it in from my root to my tips. You have to pay attention to your ends. They are the oldest part of your hair, so you have to give them all the love and attention. Once I'm happy that the section is fully coated with the product, I go ahead and twist up the section and I roll it into a bantu knot. I go ahead and repeat this process for my next section and throughout the rest of my head until my hair is completely coated with the protein treatment. I ended up using about half the bottle altogether, so I have some left for about one more use. This is about how much I try to make, and I would recommend you do the same. You don't want to make too much because it doesn't last too long in the fridge. I store this in the fridge and it lasts me for one more use. After the application, I cover my hair with a plastic bag, and then I put my shower cap on top of it, and I go ahead and let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes before washing it off. See you on the other side. I've now completely washed out the protein treatment from my hair. You can see me lightly drying my hair with my t-shirt instead of a towel. This is because a towel can be quite rough, particularly on finer and thinner hair strands. So a t-shirt is more gentle. As you can see, my hair is super bouncy and it looks super soft from the treatment. I like to go in with a deep conditioner after a protein treatment. This is to re-moisturize my coils. I do recommend a deep condition treatment after a protein treatment to prevent protein overload, which could lead to breakage, and we do not want that for our hair. No, we don't. As you may already know, the deep conditioner that I use is my Osmo Deep Moisture Intensive Deep Repair Mask. This is my absolute favorite deep conditioner. It is super creamy, so it gives me lots of slip, but it's light on my hair. I've got really fine hair strands, so it doesn't weigh my hair strands down too much, and I absolutely love that. So again, I just apply it to my hair section by section, making sure I work it in thoroughly from root to my tips, dividing my hair into smaller sections to make sure that I get every single strand coated in this deep conditioning goodness. Once I'm done and I'm happy, I twist it up like so. And I move right on to the next section. I'm just going to continue this throughout my hair, so just enjoy, relax, and I'll be right back. Once I'm done with this final section, I cover up my hair again with a plastic bag and my shower cap, and I let it sit for a minimum of 20 minutes. This time, however, I go in with heat. using my blow dryer over my shower cap for about 5 minutes. This is because I have low porosity hair, so the heat helps open up my hair cuticles to absorb the moisture better from the deep conditioner. Now I'm all done rinsing out my deep conditioner from my hair with cool water. This helps to close up my hair cuticles, which was opened with heat. We've got our moisture in our hair now, and we need it to stay in. My hair is super soft and super bouncy, just like I want it. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for product links and more information. Please do consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. And of course, like, comment, and share this video. God bless you. Take care. Bye.